SolidWorks scale tool problem regarding sketch picture. As you can see, I'm using SolidWorks 2024, and the new version will also have the problem with this. And we have the following command. We can just draw our own line to the specific length, and afterwards we can increase or decrease the image. Now let's take a look at that. If I will create a new part, I will go within the right plane, and in this case I will use the following Panton chair. So we see the value over here will be 548 millimeters. So let's add that over here within the right plane. I'm gonna sketch an horizontal line. I added that numeric dimension over here. I will leave the sketch. I will rename this sketch to be reference. Let's say reference dimension. And I will go again within the right plane. I will sketch a new, I will define a sketch. I will add a sketch picture, in this case the right view. And we're gonna see that this will be loaded at the following size. And now we need to use the scaling tool. So the problem is that if I will now start and adjusting the dimension of the image over here, we're gonna see that this is not, let's say that the best solution, but it can still be usable. So in this case, I will position it over here, and afterwards I will just increase it until I will match that dimension. And as you can see, something like this will match that. So this is one solution in order to fix this. And afterwards we can just center our sketch image. For example, I want the origin to be added over there. I can leave that sketch and we're gonna have that defined. So this is a solution as proposed by the viewer within that command. So let's take a look at the sketching tool. So I will define a new sketch within the right plane. And this is the problem with the scale tool. If I will move the mouse over here onto that spot, onto that pink vertex, we're going to see that it will not actually snap, and I still will be able to drag this image around. But if I will slowly move it over here, it will find that location where we can snap it. And I almost found it over there. This is again a problem that wasn't present within older version. So now I can drag it, I can position it over here, and I need to do the same over here for the arrow. And in this case, I see that I managed to pick that quite well. And when I will leave the arrow, I can add the dimension 578. I will hit enter, and now this will be at the correct dimension. And again, we can have it centered over here, aligned with the origin. I can click OK, and we're gonna have that second reference added. Not sure exactly why they have this problem. It may be something with the screen resolution, but this wasn't present within older version of SolidWorks, for example 2023. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this kind of content. Let me know in the comment section if you also encounter scaling problems within sketch picture within SolidWorks. I will also position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.